Alright, so we just got short, again, 880. Went ahead and took a quarter off into that first little dip just to relieve some of the risk. And now this starts to roll over nicely. I'm going to try to find a place to add under 850, but I still need to see that action kind of weaken up here a bit. If it hangs around here too much longer, I may just stop it out for a flat on the rest, so just stay with me here. And I pretty much just do this to help eliminate some of the risk. So popping in at 80, I just had a plan that I kind of thought, like I said earlier, that it kind of needed a bigger pop, like kind of a measured move back. And so I didn't think shorting right into VWAP would be smart. I kind of wanted it to spike up towards 9 and short there. But it just felt like 80 was a good spot to get in for a small feeler. And then if I can cover a piece of that in the first wash down, it completely eliminates the risk, and then I can just sit in the trade, and if it starts to work, then I'm just good to hold it. But it's a nice feeling just to get that pressure off by, you know, just covering a little bit and getting yourself in a position where you don't have to worry about it snapping back on you, and you can still get out for a flat or for a small win. It's a little bit of a support area, so they're trying to get it back over VWAP, but if they keep rejecting it, I may look to add through 44 here. All right, so just a heads up. All right, guys, this is a super key spot. I'll show you why. Because if we push up into VWAP here and it rejects it, I think it could start down again. This day is really shaping up now, guys. I got to cover at 20 there on CLNT. They're trying really hard to push this back over VWAP. If this rejects, I'm looking to short this back through 45 again. I don't know, man. I don't think this one can come back today. I don't know if it can recover from that dip. But it does have room. That's the thing. If it pops, it does have room for like a measured kind of move, you know? Maybe a quick pop over 9. So definitely not going to let this trade go against me. But I would just, you know, what I'd really love to see is I'd love to see a bunch more longs get involved here. And then it starts to roll, and then they crack 45, and we're in position for a big win. So that's what I'm watching right now. Guys, I don't see any volume coming in the stock right now. It's not very promising for longs here. Still keeping a bearish stance on this one unless we can reclaim and really set up over 85 again. Still liking it short here, especially if we break 45, so I'm getting ready. 875 stop. Alright, so this plan's working out nicely. Again, the risk reward was totally on point. Longs are F'd here now, so let's just let this fade. I'm going to put some, try to get some out into these washes. Trying not to cover too much. You know, lately I've been sometimes feeling like I'm covering a bit too much, a bit too early, but this is a place to take some profits, alright? We're going to look for that 75 break later. So just from here, just going to try to be patient, and obviously I never let a winner turn into a loser, right? So we're going to slide that stop down to around 60, and let's just hope that we can see a lower high and continue this a bit lower. I'm going to stick an order down at around 790, just around 795, and see if we can get a fill down, if it cracks down there. Just got that fill, guys, in the 90s. CLNT. So I just got a partial fill there at 95. And I'm probably going to look to short any bounces here too, like anything that pops up towards 815, I'll have a short order up above the bid. If 775 breaks, this is going to be a grand slam of a trade. Alright guys, the way I see this now, we have two possible scenarios. I think that the one would be that we put a lower high in here and flop, but kind of a higher low there now. Definitely need this to get back under. I'm going to draw a quick trend line here. I do think that people are going to be eager to cover, but I don't want to cover early because I think that this is a good trade, and when there's times where it makes sense to be greedy, and I think this is one of them. Here we go. Okay, I covered a little more into 50. I'm trying for 34 on the rest.